Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in a beautiful sun-kissed location of Cox, which is in the Vega Baja region in the province of Alicante and on the Costa Blanca. Today I'm going to be showing you some splendid townhouses that are new and also available for purchase. They are 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom and are on plots of over 100 square meters. So let's kick off the tour and get the video started. So coming from the street onto what is overlooking the entrance of the property, here you could actually have it, which is how they've decided to in this home, where there is no wall and there is no boundary and you can just walk straight in and also drive your vehicle straight on. Or you can have it where you have your enclosed wall, you have your gate and you also have your pedestrian entrance. Entirely up to you. But it leads up onto your stairwell that goes to your outdoor front porch and then also your front door. So taking you into the home through the front door, and this house is offering 2 bedrooms and distributed on 2 floors. You can see that you are coming into an open plan living room, dining room and kitchen that is light, bright and inviting. The space altogether is 41 square meters and the ceiling height is 2.5 meters. Stood here, I am in the dining space area of the home. This is the dining table that is currently set to dine 4. It's got a nice light fixture budget and it also has the patio doors that open up and give you an integration with the front porch patio. It then leads really nicely into a modern and very simple living room space that then comes into your dining, or your kitchen space, should I say. This kitchen has a central island. The central island has a breakfast bar to dine to, and you also have storage cabinets also on one side. I do like how they have decided to go with the light colours, but they have bounced it with some warmth with the wood. I do really like that detail. But you also have a continuation of your cabinetry on the back wall. You have your electric hob with your extractor. Next to it would be the dishwasher, as well as your sink, more cabinetry and the refrigerator and freezer. On this side you have your oven and this is where you would have your microwave. Next to the kitchen and letting more light and illumination from the sunshine as well as air, you have here a back door that leads to your back terrace. This terrace you could use for outdoor dining also. You could use it for lounging, relaxing and taking in the Mediterranean climate and the views. So now I'm going to take you back indoors and show you where you'll find the downstairs guest bathroom. It is just here next to the kitchen and is fully equipped. Now the specifications of all of the homes that they do feature in this development are equipped with your electrical appliances for your kitchen, hot and cold air conditioning, air filtration system, as well as double glazed windows and your intercom here at the front door. Taking you up the stairs to the first floor, which has been dedicated to the bedroom quarters. I'm now going to take you to the primary bedroom, which is the first bedroom on this floor and is 11 square meters. You do have patio doors on one side that enable you access to a private terrace. Coming out of the master bedroom, I'm now going to take you to the main bathroom on this floor, which is again warm and fully equipped. And then next to the bathroom on the other side, you have the second bedroom. This bedroom is 9 square meters. You have your integrated wardrobes on one side and also a large window on the other. Taking you from the primary bedroom up the stairs, in case you wanted additional living space outdoors for your family to enjoy, there is also a solarium. The solarium offers 38 square metres of additional outdoor space that could be used, much like this one, for dining, for sun lounging, and even for outdoor cooking. But what's wonderful about this spot is you really do get a sense of the vast array of nature and the beautiful rolling countryside that we get to see in this location. Not only do we have this splendid backdrop of this mountain, but we also have in front of us all of these great plains that look very, very green this time of year. It truly is remarkable, and the weather is actually 28 degrees today. Taking you into the second model, this one is again distributed on 2 floors and also offers a similar layout, but this one has 3 bedrooms. Now, we were talking before about the options when it comes to how you come to arrive at the property, and here you can see this one has been installed with a pedestrian gate and also with a vehicle gate to allow easy entry. This is an option that you can have like this closed, or the other that we offered you as open. But they both have the pathway that leads up the stairs and into the home. You have here the front porch, which is also an outdoor terrace that can be used for lounging. And then we come through the front door. So here you get to see that the interior feel is very similar. You have an open plan living room, dining room and kitchen, and the space is 34 square metres with a ceiling height of 2.55 metres. So what I like about this space again is they've done it with a light and bright aesthetic with ever such slightly different accents and details. Here you have on one side your dining space, your lounge, and then also the kitchen, which has the same appliances featured in the first. Next to the living room, you also have your guest bathroom, which is on this floor and fully equipped. You also have next to that a guest bedroom, which is 9 square metres and can be used perfectly also as a bedroom. And then you have a back door that leads to your rear terrace to enjoy for the family. In case I didn't mention in the first, this is 20 square metres. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €250 per year. The community fee is €500 per year, and the refuse is €150 per year. These are fantastic homes to move in. They are fantastic in the sense that they offer modern amenities nearby. They also offer great potential, as you can go for 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom, and prices start as little as $219,000. If you do like this listing, there is lots of information on our website, which was spainhomes.estate. And also, can I just say that the location is fantastic as well. You are within 25 kilometres of some of the best beaches of the Costa Blanca. You also have a choice of airports, with Alicante 30 kilometres away and also Murcia 20 kilometres away. You also have golf courses not far away, as well as shopping centres, recreational things to do, and beautiful historic points of interest. So, what else is there to say, everybody? If you like the listing and you'd like to know more, then please do give us a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. My name is Nikima, and we will see you next time. Hasta pronto!